Meaning of good for nothing.
Good for nothing.
Good for nothing.
Good for nothing.
Good for nothing. Good for nothing is an idiom used to describe someone or something that is useless, without any redeeming qualities or unable to be of any benefit. It can refer to a person who is lazy, lacks ambition, and cannot accomplish anything worthwhile, or a thing that is ineffective, defective, or worthless. This term is often used in a negative sense when referring to someone or something that is considered a disappointment or failure. In short, good for nothing describes a person or object that is not valuable or productive in any sense.